In ancient Greece, there was a great philosopher, Socrates. Socrates experienced listening to the voice of daimonion in his heart. I'd like you to be delicate enough to listen to the following. In his heart, he listened to the voice of daimonion. This means he was rational enough to listen to some voices. Those are like, do not do anything wrong. Do not have unnecessary leisure. You've got to be disciplined all the time. Do not escape from difficulty you're facing. Unnecessary leisure gives you a chance to be dull. There are so many chances for us to be spoiled here. Hence, what we need to be discipline. We need to control ourselves every day. I'd like to be powerful enough for you to control yourself according to the experience of discipline. It's not a matter of masculinity of a man. It's not a matter of femininity of a woman. This is a very matter of magnanimity, of humanity, human beings have. As for you to be human, as for you to experience living as a person who possesses humanity, what you need to be perfidness, firing in the core of humanity. I hope you do enjoy becoming more passionate to experience necessary processes as for you to be splendiferous every day. The lecture shall be finished now.